us to recognize you, the best performers, and you will receive different gifts and awards and prizes in terms of money, laptops, jobs, you name it. So, ibyiza biracyaza. Before I proceed, I would like to remind the graduates that, as you may know, you will all go home with your degrees. You will all receive your degrees. That said, when we end this ceremony, you will remain seated where you are, and your college representatives will bring your degrees so that you may get them and also have photos with your families, because turashaka kwishimana n'ababyeyi bacu. Bashyitsi bahire, twababwiraga ko basoje amashuri yabo bari butahane impapuro zerekana izo bita impamyabumenyi. Akaba ariyo mpamvu turi bubasabe ko baza kuguma bicaye mu gihe turi tusoje, kugira ngo baze kuzibashyikiriza banishimana n'ababyeyi babo n'abandi babaherekeje. Thank you. Right, Honorable Prime Minister, I would like to invite Honorable Minister of Education to deliver his keynote speech, and please do invite our guest of honor. Thank you.
Right Honorable Prime Minister, distinguished Honorable Minister present, distinguished Member of Parliament here present, Honorable Governor of the Southern Province, Honorable Mayor of Huye, the Chancellor of the University of Rwanda, the Chairman of the Board of Governors, University of Rwanda, the Vice Chancellor and esteemed faculty members, graduates, parents, family, and all invited guests, good day. Mine are quick, short remarks to accomplish three things. One is to recognize the graduates. Two, to thank the parents. And three, to introduce our guest of honor. First and foremost, heartfelt congratulations to today's graduate, marking an incredible accomplishment as we celebrate the 10th graduation ceremony of the University of Rwanda. Congratulations. Second, I want to take a moment to thank the parents, and permit me to do this in Kinyarwanda. Babyeyi bahiri, uyu munsi ni umunsi wanyu namwe, kuko abana banyu ntabwo bari gushobora kwigeza aho bageze uyu munsi. Ni ngombwa rero yuko tubashimira namwe ku ruhare mwagize n'ubufatanye mwagiranye na University y'u Rwanda kugira ngo aba bana banyu bagere kuri iki kigero gishimishije, ari ku bwabo bonyine no ku bwanyu ndetse no ku gihugu cyacu. Murakoze cyane. Today we gather for a truly significant moment. As I pointed, this is the 10th graduation ceremony of the University of Rwanda. This event celebrates the achievement of our graduates who stand poised to contribute to the Rwanda's bright future and indeed to the world beyond. As we mark this milestone, we are reminded of the core value that the University of Rwanda plays in our nation's growth. This institution is not only a place for academic learning, but also a dynamic incubator of talent, leadership, and innovation that aligns with our aspiration as defined by our President, the President of the Republic, for a sustainable and inclusive development. Graduate, today you join an esteemed legacy of the University of Rwanda alumni who are making a tangible impact across various sectors. Now, it is my honor to introduce the Right Honorable Prime Minister, a true advocate for Rwanda's education sector as a pillar of national transformation, a leader who believes in the power of education to uplift communities. The Right Honorable Prime Minister has been instrumental in championing initiatives and reforms for the University of Rwanda, expanding access, enhancing quality, and fostering innovation across the entire Rwanda education sector. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming the Right Honorable Prime Minister of Rwanda and the proud alumni of the University of Rwanda.